Good morning, my name is Edinson-Zarate. In the last vacation del Simple Pass. Vacation 1. Picturesque. In the last vacation, I was in Germany. I went there with my parents. I had the opportunity to enjoy this fantastic city tourists. The place was beautiful. To get there, you had to cross some large rock channels and climb steep hills. It was almost impossible to climb on motorcycles. The hot weather was fantastic, and the great river that Excellent has hit past Tower Rock was supreme. Everything was unique. Next vacation. Bogotá, DC. Photography. In the last vacation, I went to Bogotá. I was an interesting way to the capital. When the sun shone over the llanos, we start our drive. The variety of supreme bliss than very visualized. Through the glass of the bus was unbranded until right and hot cold that penetrated my bones and surprised me. I was much than could be observed. In short, I was half to visit my family and come meet incredible place. Next vacation on the country. Pictures. In the last vacation, I went to the country there to visit my uncles. They hearts welcome was at good lunch. I was always at chicken. I had the opportunity to work on carts, ride horse and make three tours the forest. Uncle, see you beautiful birds that I have online seen through the internet. The aroma of the some tricks was comfortable and the soft air that breathed purified. My vote and made my soul happy was on very cool experiences. Next vacation. And lodge. Pictures. In the last vacation, I have the opportunity to visit the Lago de la Rompida. There we went through many rivers and always mines. After a long trip, we come to cable. There was nothing here. Silence. There was scarce. When leaned over the where you could visualize the glow of flint in the eyes of infinite number the crocodiles. White swimmers, solid and resplendent, cautiously to sharks they prey. We have the opportunity to fish in the night. Fortunately, we can make peace. I was only allowed to get back home. Next vacation. Pictures. Edinson-Zarate. In the last vacation of the 25, I went to the Zipaquirá salt mines. I found right to the place. There the people in the town were very welcoming, and the place was visited by many foreigners. It was fantastic for me to see people for another part of the planet. When entering the mines, you could see a long solid and white pan in the walls of the tunnel. I was sad. I was fantastic. We descended 209 meters under snow. There was again course and beautiful display of embers. It was the maximum. Thank you. My last vacation of the finish.